Hello everyone, this is the React Native beginner series. In this series I want to show you how to increment and decrement the value using state. For that we are creating two buttons. So first of all I'm creating the two buttons, touchable opacity. I'm taking the touchable opacity, then text, and then typing add, and then I want to create another button, touchable opacity and text. Just I want to style my buttons also so it look better. So I already defined the style in bottom. Just copy the style. I want to color my text. I already defined the color in the bottom, and I also just style and button style, and also style. But it's look not that much good, so I want to give us some fixed size and fixed height. Okay, 80, and also margin top 20. Now I want to create my state. Count and set count. By default it will be show 0, and then I want to show in my tags also this, and count, and also I will be show my style my count also. So now our design is completed. Count is 0, and we can press on buttons, but we haven't applied the condition, so just on press and callback function set count, and also the count plus 1. So now see, minus, so it decrement the count. So on press and set count, and value of this count minus 1. So see, we can easily minus. So now I am applying the condition that show alert when the count value become a 10, and another alert when the count value become a 0. So condition like a count, and if the count is 10, this is ternary operator, so it show if the count value is equal to 10, so I'm showing the alert dot alert, and more than 10 is not allow, and then double dot. So see, if the my value become a 10, so it will show more than 10 is not allowed. See, we cannot add more than 10. So now I need the condition for the decrement also for the minus. So if my value become a 0, so it should not goes to the minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3. So just come here, count 0 alert dot alert is not allowed. Just typing here, and pressing the minus button, so it's going. So this is the counter in React Native. By pressing the add button, we are increment the count, while we are pressing the minus, we are decrementing the count. Also we define the condition. If the values become a 10, so it show alert. If the values become a 0, it's also show alert. So this is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.